Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's me, Tanika, aka Miss T, and I am the creator of 3TW's Design Boutique. And today I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how I made this cute neon peekable rhinestone sassy tumbler. Please bear with me, this is my first tutorial. But if you do like what you see, please make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you can catch more tutorials when they hit my channel. Okay, so without further ado, here we go. So for this cup, I used the 20-ounce skinny straight tumbler from Make a Flow. It comes in its own box and it makes for easy shipping, especially if you're shipping it as a gift or out to a customer. When you open the box, as you can see, the cup comes in a plastic bag with the lid on it, and a straw is also included. I so love these cups because they are straight and not tapered, which makes it so much easier when working with vinyl. Okay, so here I am taking the tumbler out to prepare to prep it. Okay, so you want to always prep your tumbler so that all of your pretty work will adhere properly to your cup. So here I am using a sanding block. I think it's a 220 grit maybe, to sand and scuff up my cup a little bit. Okay, just want to make sure you get all that shiny covering off. And then after you scuff it up, after sanding it, you want to use a cloth and some alcohol to clean it down, to get all the debris off. Or you can use some soap and water and make sure it's thoroughly dry afterwards before you start working on it, okay? And then after sanding and cleaning, the last step in preparing is to base coat your tumbler. And today I am using the universal white and black pigment from Crystalac Company. Okay. So here I am just using my wide soft bristle brush to smoothly paint on my base paint, trying to get a great coverage so I can hopefully get away with only doing one coat. I use products by Crystalac Company, but you can also use spray paint if you're a spray painting kind of crafter, okay? Especially if you have the area to do so and it's not too cold out. So if you're brush painting like I am, you want to make sure you use full brush strokes for full coverage. Okay? Here I am painting all over the tumbler, trying to get the best coverage. I'm trying to get away with only one coat. Okay? And after you paint this on, you want to let it sit for at least 2 hours to dry. I think the universal white dry time is 2 to 3 hours. So like I said, at least 2 hours. And then don't forget the bottom of your cup as well. Okay. Get in all the crevices. So now I am painting my sections of my cup to get ready for glitter. I like to use a color that closely matches the color of the glitter that I'll be using. And for this project, I am using folk art paints. I love, love, love folk art paints. And for this project, I am using their neon pink, neon green, neon orange, and neon blue. Okay? And since they didn't have a neon purple, and I really wanted to use purple, I'm using the Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash. Okay, so here I'm doing my first section, which is the neon orange, which is the bottom of the tumbler. Sorry, I'm out of screen. Like I said, bear with me. This is my first time of doing the video tutorial, so it's a little off, so bear with me. So I'm doing the first section, which is the neon orange, and then I'm going to work my way up to the top part of the cup, which is going to end with the neon pink. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and paint a little bit more on camera, and then I'm going to do more off camera. Okay, Even though I love these colors, they don't give a good coverage, so I will have to come back in and do a second coat of each color. Okay, after I get the first coat of each color on, I will let it sit and dry for about an hour and a half to 2 hours before coming in on the second coat. There I am. I'm out of camera range again. Again, I apologize. I have to get used to this, to the whole recording and being able to make sure I'm in the video range. So I'm just going to show you guys my painting a little bit more before I go off camera to finish. Next, I'm moving to the green. Okay. Smoothing the green around as well, just to get it all around the cup. Okay. And then here I am with the cup mostly done. I'm just putting in the last color of the first coat, which is the pink. Okay, you see how I have the orange at the bottom, then the green, then the blue, then the purple, and then lastly the pink at the top. Okay. This will be the base, the undercoat for the peekaboo when I get to that. So you all will see these colors shining through. These paints are also glow in the dark. I just used it for the color to match the glitter, not necessarily the glow in the dark element. So here are the glitters that I'll be using for this project. They come from Chase Ray Creations. They're so beautiful. I'll leave the link in the description down below in case you guys want to check them out. But I used the You Go Girl, the chunky and the fine, right along with Baby Boo, Daydream, Whisper, and Glimmer. All of those I used the chunky right along with the right along with the fine cuts of those glitters. Okay, and here's the cut right before applying it. I applied those glitters with the Crystalac glitter glue. After applying, you want to let it sit and dry for 2 hours, and then I sealed it with the glitter glue to keep the glitters from moving before I go ahead on and sealing it with Crystalac's Grand Finale. Okay, then I went ahead and did the peekaboo. I used that black paint right along with some stencil vinyl. All right, sorry I didn't catch that on camera, but this is how it looks after I pulled off the stencil vinyl. Now I'm putting on a few more coats of the Grand Finale to give that nice shining coat and to seal it. The Grand Finale is an epoxy free sealant, and this is the tumbler with the vinyl offset right along with me starting the rhinestones. Okay, it's very cute. So this is the finished product of the Neon Peekaboo Sassy tumbler. Okay, with the stars and everything. Here we go. This was made with the Folk Art Neon paint right along with the Purple Flash and Crystalac company products. Okay, you guys can go ahead. It's a very beginner friendly cup and basic rhinestone work. You guys can try this on your own if you like and have fun with it, because that's what art is. It's just to have fun. So if you guys want to check any other for further tutorials or videos, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button so you guys can be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks again for tuning in, and Bye for now. Peace.